On April 17th, 2020, I was going through a lot of stress. PayPal had locked $900 in my account. I was selling on eBay, and if you didn't know, sometimes your money from eBay sales gets put on hold until the items are shipped and delivered. So I had about $900 held in my account. But that's no big deal because usually you just wait until the items arrive and then you can withdraw the money. But I got this message from PayPal. They said that they needed my social security number and some shipping information to make sure that my account is legitimate. So I'm just thinking, oh, no big deal. I'll just give them my social security number. I'll give them the shipping information. I have nothing to hide. You know, I'm a tax-paying citizen. I'm not doing anything illegal. And then I realized I can't give them my SSN because I'm not 18 and I don't know what's gonna happen. Along with that, the PayPal account that I was using wasn't a real PayPal account. It was like a joke account that my friend and I made freshman year of high school. It didn't have a real name. It was legit some like fake, obviously stupid fake name. So even if I did put my social security number in to prove that I was a real person, the name on the PayPal account wouldn't match, and that would be suspicious. So I really couldn't do much, but in the end, I was able to withdraw that $900. I'm gonna tell you how in this video. Why does PayPal even put your money on hold? Better yet, why do they lock your accounts when you're doing suspicious things? What I think, and a lot of other people on the internet think, is that PayPal holds your money so that they can just collect interest on it, which would make sense. But if you do have your money locked and you're over 18, you used your correct name, all you gotta do is enter the information that they request and you'll be able to get it out easily. But for me, if you have the same circumstances as me, here's how you go around it. So the first thing that I thought of was, oh, why don't I just like Photoshop a fake ID or something? I didn't end up doing that. I don't recommend you do it. It's highly illegal. I know there are people that get away with it probably every single day. Every time I post a TikTok about the subject, everyone's in the comments like, oh, DM me for, I'll get your account unlocked, fake ID, stuff like that. I wouldn't recommend doing it. You don't have to. You can get your money out for free. All I had to do was wait 180 days. Then I was able to withdraw the money. But it's weird though, because at first, after I waited 180 days, I tried withdrawing it to my card, but that didn't work. I didn't realize that you had to withdraw it directly to your bank savings account for it to initiate. But if you're in that position, just know you can only withdraw it to your bank account for it to go. You can't withdraw it to your card. That's literally all you have to do. Just wait 180 days and you will be able to get the money out. But while you're waiting for that time to go by, we have to fix the problem of why your account got shut down. But while you're waiting for that, we have to fix the problem on why your account got locked in the first place. Is it because you're underage? You used a fake name? What is it? Well, if you're underage, like maybe 17 or 16, I don't think it'd be worth it to, try too hard since you're gonna turn 18 fairly soon. And PayPal actually locks your account once you reach 200 transactions or you pass $20,000 in sales. So if you don't think you're gonna hit those numbers in between the time of now and when you turn 18, I say just create another account with your real name. And that way, if they do lock your account, you can just enter your social security information and it will be legit. All right, but if you're like 12 or 13, you can't be waiting that long. Try to make a PayPal account in your parents' name, maybe. You have to be aware of the tax implications of that. If they pass $20,000 in sales on that account or $20,000, being passed through, they're gonna send you a 1099-K form, which is for taxes. But the good thing is if you use your parents' name, you're able to use their social security number so that your account is legitimate. And then once you turn like 17 or close to 18, then you can make your own account. But honestly, if you're an eBay seller, I don't even know if they use PayPal anymore. I know that I have managed payments and like I don't even go through PayPal anymore. So I don't know if they're rolling that out completely, but if they do, that would be a game changer for a lot of you guys because PayPal was a bottleneck in a lot of people's eBay stores. Another thing I did is since I was 16 when I made this account and I was making more than $20,000 in sales, I just went ahead and created an LLC so I could get a business PayPal account. It was like $800 in California. I actually have a video on how to create an LLC. I'll link it at the end. But it's way cheaper in other states, trust me. And what that allowed me to do was get an employee identification number, which is basically like your business's social security number. And then with that EIN, I use that to create a PayPal business account, which is also really cool because it gives you a PayPal business MasterCard, which gives you like 2% cash back on all of your purchases. So when I was going super hard on eBay, I was buying all of my labels and shipping with that cashback card, and it was pretty cool. So all you really got to do is wait 180 days and then try to figure out ways to not get your account locked again. Maybe that even means making a new account every single like 3 months. That's what I was doing when I was selling on eBay to start. Like I had one account and then it would get close to being locked. Like I forget why I switched, but but I wasn't able to like send or withdraw money. So I would switch to a new account, and then the same thing would happen there, switch to a new account until eventually they just like locked my money. But yeah, PayPal's a huge headache. I'm so glad that eBay and them parted ways. But if you're still doing business with PayPal, make sure you do everything in your power to make sure that it doesn't get locked. To the left, you may have that video about creating an LLC if you are interested in that. Down below is a subscribe button. Please go ahead and smash that. But my name is Austin Hustles. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you can get your money back. Just be patient, and I'm out. Later.